Now you can see the web accessibility, where you can get the content from the web browsers. Okay, so anything that it is going to be present in the website, that you can able to access by using the different types of coding and design practices. Okay, so you have to make the people to visual, mobility, audibility, and audio disabilities are going to be present in that. So these things that to access the data from the web, that they can able to use it. Okay, now the guidelines are going to be there for this accessibility. Okay. Provide the text alternatives for the non-text content so that it can be changed into the forms for the people needs. Okay, suppose what happens basically is some blind people will be there. Braille lipi is going to be for that, for them. Speech recognitions. Okay, you can use some symbols, the language, different language that you can use it. So by using that content, so what happens basically, everybody can use that particular data. Okay, so you can create the content that is presented in the different ways. There is a different layouts are going to be there. So we will be going to discuss these layouts in the further PPTs. Okay, so what happens exactly is, if you have been worked with the yahoo.com, okay, the first screen which you'll be going to see, it is completely, you can able to understand this web technology over there. Okay, these layouts and all these things, everything is there in that. Once you open that Yahoo, n number of things that you will be going to get from that. Actually, reason is very simple. Everything whatever that I am going to teach, it is going to be present in that. Everything is present in that particular first site. Okay, it is going to have the layers, headings, we have footers, the body, then we have some eye-catching contents. Okay, so even the pictures, the animations, movements. Okay, so go to the next pages, and when nothing is going to be there in that, in the data, some data, so on your mouse cursor goes to that particular point, it start working on that. It means to say that it is going to start crawling in that particular page. Okay, so many things are going to be there. So those things actually we are going to do it in our programs. Okay, make all functionality available from the keyboard. Both you should have it. From the mouse also you should navigate, from the keyboard also you should navigate, because sometimes you will be going to get some problems with the either mouse or keyboard. So that time any one of that should work. Because of that, you have to make the functionality available for both keyboard and mouse. So navigation is important, and provide the navigation properly. Now here, how do you access that particular table? Okay, so there is a content is there, that is table content, the caption. Always any tables you must you will be going for that, the caption for that it should be there. What is the table determines? Okay, the name of the table, that you should write it by using the caption. This caption is there, right? This caption that you should write it. Then the content cells textually of the header by using the scope column attribute. Now you see that the caption is being given here, okay, under the table. Then TR started is the table row started, first row. The TH scope is column, individual columns that it is being specified here. Okay, column specification is going to be present. Scope means only for that particular column title is going to be written, artist is going to be written, year is going to be written, width is going to be written, height is going to be written, specifications that it is being present in that. Okay, so under this, that you will be going to write another row. So all this data is going to get filled over there. Okay, the scope column attribute is nothing but, so you can able to write, this is the way that data is going to looks. Basically you can see that here is quite revealing that to listen the readers. Okay, the how that it is going to be sounds. Okay, it sounds like this. There is row 3 cell 4. Okay, the data is going to be there. Row 3 cell 5 data is there. Row 3 cell 6 data is going to be there. So like this, that it is going to be. Okay, if you're going to use this particular connection sounds, okay, row 3 average is, so cell name it is going to be get displayed over there. That is the difference. Okay, cell name is going to be get displayed over there. That is the advantage of scope column. Okay, fine. Here is another additional information is there about the tags. Caption is already we have seen, column we have seen, call group is there, column group, T header, T footer, T body. All these things comes under HTML5 format. So what is the advantage of these things actually? So when you will be going to start writing the table and the T table, okay, table is going to there, okay, table is going to end at the end, okay, here it's ended, then in between that you can able to write. Now here is the example is there and the output you can able to see here. Now you see the caption is been written, this caption is there over here, you can able to see, yeah, you can able to see here, you can able to see here this caption 19th century, that you can able to see. Then after there's a column class, okay, artist name, column group ID is going to be present here, 2 columns are going to there, okay, so totally 3 columns are going to be present in this. Then call group is ended. So this is a column group they have made it. Then there's a T head is there. T head is TR, TH, there are 3 THs are there, title, artist, year. So whenever that you will be going to start writing with the T head, advantage I am going to say in this, either you write TH in the bottom or in the middle or in the top, okay, it directly takes the output in this way. Here only that it is going to be written T head, okay. T footer you are written after the T head. Actually where this is written the output, you see, you can see able to see here it is, okay, that is table row started TD cos span 2, because here 3 columns are there. Now it has been made column span 2, this is total number of paintings and TD is written with 2. Got it? So when it is going to be present here like this, then it is the body, instead of body you have written directly the T footer and body you have written later, correct? T body is there here, TR started, the 3 data, that is the title, artist and year, 2 rows that have been written. So it is at the end of the thing that have been written. Still it is being executed in the proper order. To make it in the proper order, this T head, T footer, T body are going to be used. If in the normal case with the table, if it is going to be, then it is not going to write like that, okay, whatever the way that you have been written, similarly that it is going to get printed, okay. So by using this T footer and all these things, T footer, T head, T body, it is going to write within that particular format, okay, fine. That's the advantage of this T head, T foot, T body. So some styling tables are going to be there, so you can see those styling tables, okay. Now styling the tables, how the tables are going to be styled, okay. So this attributes, okay, table attributes are going to be there. So width, height, that is going to be used for that cells. Then cell spacing in between the cells, how the spacing is going to be provided. Cell padding is there between the border and the cells. BG color, background color of the cell, okay, or table we can say. Then background of the image, that also you can change. Alignments, there are 3 alignments are there, that is center, then left and right, okay, fine. So these things you will be going to demonstrate with the program, okay. Now here is some table content is going to be there, okay. So here one example that it is basically the table border is going to be solid 1 point black. So here you can see the output, this is the